Today we will discuss about top marketplaces for freelancer. These 5 marketplaces or 7 marketplaces are very trusted and they will never get your money without your permission. So this is trusted. Let's see. First one is Upwork. Upwork is very useful website with over 1.5 million clients. Upwork, previously Orex, offers something for every type of freelancer. It accommodates both short and long-term projects, hourly or per project work, and expert level and entry-level engagements. Regardless of where you are in career, Upwork is likely to have something for you. You can work as a web developer, mobile developer, designer, virtual assistant, customer service agent, sales marketing, accounting, and many more. There are a lot of categories here. The second one is TopTal. TopTal is distinctly different approach than the other services on this list that I will discuss about today. So here TopTal is for seasoned, talented freelancer passing TopTal's screening process, give you upper level and meaningful project with great clients as like Zendesk, Airbnb, JP Morgan, etc. and fair compensation, no low bid contest. You will also be able to join the TopTal community for frequently meetup and tech events. So this is very big marketplace. Everyone cannot join here. You must be special and you have to do the best of your performance. The next one is Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is also a marketplace that is also popular. Unlike most other platforms, in addition to offering millions of projects, Freelancer allows you to compete with other freelancers in contest to improve your skills. If you are competitive and confident in your expertise, it's a great way to showcase your abilities and attract more clients. Let's see. Here you can post projects if you are not a worker and your client. Okay. Here web development, graphic design, internet marketing, everything here for freelancer and client, buyer and freelancer. Everyone can do work here. Okay. The next site is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is also a great site. This is a great platform focusing on freelancing for web projects. If you are a designer, web developer, SEO specialist, etc., People Per Hour is definitely worth checking out. A very great site to work with. Design, development, writing, translation, video editing, business support, admin, marketing, social media, software development, lot of things there. So next site is about design. Let's see. This is called 99designs.com. 99designs is a platform for freelance designers. 99designs lets you compete in design contest and get feedback as clients choose the best ones. It's a great way for talented designers to prove their talents. Here you can logo design, package design, many more. Just visit this, you will see what a graphic designer can do. Lot of things are there. Okay. The next site is Guru.com.